Convert the improper fraction into a mixed number. We are going to use long division to do this. So let's set up our long division problem. 41 is our dividend that goes inside the house, and 8 is our divisor that goes outside. Now we ask ourselves, how many times does 8 go into 41 without going over? Well, we'll say 5 times, because 5 times 8 is 40. So we write that 40 underneath, and then we subtract. 41 minus 40 is 1. With no more numbers to drop down, that means our remainder is 1. So the way we write out our mixed number is 5. The quotient that we get is going to be our whole number. The remainder of 1 is going to be our numerator, and our old denominator of 8 is going to stay the old denominator. So 8's our denominator, 1 is our numerator, 5 is our whole number, and 41 over 8 can be written as 5 1/8.